Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
So this is how it looks like. This is where you have financial accounting, general ledger accounting, accounts receivable, accounts payable, bank fixed
Yeah.
assets, special ledger. So this is the old SAP Easy Access design. So actually this is SAP S/4HANA system but I applied a old theme. This is a common thing. Everyone likes to log in with old theme. This is the SAP signature thing. The latest version of SAP comes like this. I'll show you. It comes with theme settings. It comes with Belly's theme. So one second. Actually, this is the SAP ECC version. This is how it looks like. If I
Mm-hmm.
log off and log in again, you will see the latest design. This is the latest S/4HANA design. It is pretty boring. Wantedly, SAP has made it boring. Why? Because they wanted everyone to migrate to the SAP Fiori. So they made it boring so that everything is only a single color, blue color, but it is glossy. So this is the latest application they have come up with. Okay. So what is the how to find the version of SAP? You can go to system on the top and you can see the status. So this is your product version. This is 2023
Mm-hmm.
SAP S/4HANA on-premise 2023. Always in the market, you will find 1 year lesser. Why? Because SAP will release the update every October. It's almost the end of the year. October, November, and December. Now, in the 10th month every year, SAP will release the latest version. So in the market, you will always find 1 year lesser. Okay. So this is one of the software. This is the latest SAP software. So this is how SAP software looks like. But if you want to see the apps, you need to click on. You need to go for this Fiori Launchpad. So this is the
Mm-hmm.
Launchpad. This is like a web browser. You can log in from anywhere, any device. So here you will find list of all the apps on the system. It will take time to load. It is slow. Fiori is slow. So here you can see so many tiles coming up. They are loading. So this is how Fiori looks like for different departments. Actually, so depending upon your role, only 10 or 5 apps or 6 apps or 7 apps will be visible on your screen. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the latest design that SAP has offering. And now you don't have to train an employee, but like explaining navigate to this path. In your older version of SAP, you need to explain your employee, go to accounting, go to financial accounting, go to accounts receivable, then go to document entry. Here is where you can post an invoice. Like that, they need to take a lot of training. But right now, what happens in Fiori is if your employee has the access to FB70, this particular screen of SAP, it is directly visible as an app on your Fiori. So that's the latest thing SAP has come up with.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So yep, this is about the software.
Yeah.
Yes, Aleka. You have any question?
I had used Tally different versions 5.4, 6.0, 6.3, 9.0. It's what do you think? It's little bit similar. I know
Yes.
SAP is very vast, but quite similar to little bit Tally also, no?
It's similar to Tally. Tally is a small brother. This is a big brother. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
He has more muscle. That's all. He can do more activities. He can do much more bigger activities. See, level of integration matters. But in Tally, the integration is very minimal. In SAP, the integration with other modules and other departments is very tightly integrated. Data flows very seamlessly across the organization. So that is the advantage of this SAP. It can do wonders at when you the scaling up is very easy using SAP software. With the Tally, it is not easy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Basically,
that's the advantage.
yeah. I just want to give you idea whatever I worked before, na.
Hmm.
So as a I have worked in sales team also,
Okay.
sales and coordination. So that's time, whatever we sold.
Yeah.
I have worked in Mr. Kitchen. I think if you know,
Okay.
it's a furniture firm. It's a
Okay.
German-based furniture firm. Yeah. So whatever
Okay.
we sold, we have all customers' data feed in the tally.
You stored
Selling.
it in Tally. Okay.
Mhm. So I'm thinking that which version for me, version will be good for me in finance or the sales, in which department? Because SAP has so many versions, na? So many modules.
See, Aleka,
Module,
which will be suitable for you.
yeah.
I'm not a right. I can't say that in 5 to 10 minutes of our meeting. Right?
Mhm.
See, you have to explore that. I can only tell you. So, what is the advantage with finance? What is the advantage with SD? What is the advantage? It's end of the day, your interest matters, right? I can't say
Yeah.
this suits you, that suits you. See, I can say some random 10 points, but with that, I will not advise you to take the decision. I'll very
Mhm.
honestly say that. See, every company's basic need is finance. First, whether they wanted to rest all things, they will manage manually. But finance, definitely, they will have some neat way of recording. Any company will record finance with utmost care, and that is totally tightly integrated with your SD and MM also. So your sales is very important. Whatever you are selling, that you need to record properly. Whatever you are purchasing, that also needs to be recorded properly. FI,
Mhm.
SD, MM, these three are together. Without that, they are not called. Without, if you don't maintain this properly, your company is going to be dissolved very soon. So these three are very important. I can't say this is suitable for you, that is suitable for you. Whoever buys SAP software, they will first activate finance module. Second, they will activate this SD module. Third, they will activate this MM module. Okay, and person who is working in finance, the problem with the finance guy is every time it is like a father. The father has the only role to pay the bills and earn money. Same way, all the other activities are done by your house, your mother, your children. All they will do all the buying, selling, whatever they want to do. But father is the one who will manage all the resources. Same way, your finance module is like a father module. They need to have an eye on each and every module. Same time, they will not do anything, but they have to understand what's happening in other modules. They need to understand what's happening in SD. They need to capture those transactions. They need to understand what is happening in MM. They need to capture those transactions. Same time, they need to understand what's going in other modules like HR, payrolls, everything. In every department, the final interface link will be to finance. So finance guys will be paid more if you are more concentrating on salary hike and all. Finance role or finance job is complicated than SD and MM. And when complexity increases, your payment increases. Simple as that. You getting me? Yeah, like any questions?
No.
So we have course offerings in three levels. We have beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Okay, so you can talk to upskilling. So I will be the instructor. For remaining all details, you can check with upskilling. And if you like my demo session, the way I am explaining you the things, if it does make sense, and I'll be keep switching between this SAP software and whiteboard as I have just switched now. So same way I'll be switching and I'll be demonstrating the complete class. And this is going to be a practical course. You have to do practice as well. So whatever I demonstrate in the class, same you have to practice every day after the session. So that's how you can stay connected with the subject. If you miss something, then again, uh, if you keep postponing the things, like if you keep postponing the practice, like you didn't get time or something like that, you'll find a little bit difficult. I recommend here. willing to take up the course. Excuse me.
What is the duration for the FICO course
And
and timing?
depending upon what you enroll for, it will be 80-hour course, 80 hours of lecture, 70
Mhm.
to 80. So sometimes some people will say, I'll take 35 hours course, I'll take 50 hours course, I'll take 80 hours. It depends on what their plan is, career plan is. Sometimes someone wants to immediately do join, they have some interview, they wanted to crack it, they'll do some backdoor opportunity, they wanted to learn the subject as fast, then we do it on a crash. But ideally, the recommended timeline is 70 to 80 hours.
Okay.
Hmm. So you
Then
can
thank
talk to
you.
upskilling team. Okay, so
Mm,
they will connect with you after the demo. If you
yeah.
like it, we can take it further. Yeah. Yes, then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice meeting you. Hope you enjoyed
Yeah.
my session.